While I'm installing, I'll mention a cool parking mode feature this camera has called Radar Parking Monitor, which allows you to power the camera via a fuse box or OBD2 and have two sensitivity settings, sensitive and weak detection, and an off switch. With the OBD cable, you can also set a voltage limit from 11.8 to 12.2 volts that will shut the camera off if the voltage detected from the OBD2 is lower than the desired setting. I gotta say, this is really great that the manufacturer includes all these options within one package, so you don't have to go chasing extra accessories and/or worry if they are compatible. One more cool feature is that instead of attaching directly to the windshield, the main camera has a bracket that allows to easily take the camera off if you need. I'll use the OBD2 connector and cable for easiest setup. Here's the switch that allows you to set the voltage cutoff. Looks like the device starts to record automatically, as it should when it gets power. I'll adjust the height. Let's get that rear camera connected now. Great, rear camera recording starts automatically as well. Here's how the front camera looks from the outside. Without the polarized filter, you can see the dashboard reflection in the windshield. Now let's check out that polarized filter. There we see the dashboard reflection. I'll rotate the filter. It's gone almost completely. This is a great feature. Alright, now let's get to some technical stuff. The main camera in this one records in 1440p, 25 frames per second, and 12.5 megabits per second bitrate in HEVC codec with mono 16 kHz, 34 kilobits AAC sound, which is a bit too high for a 1440p video as far as I'm concerned, but more is better than not enough. Cabin and rear-facing cameras are 1080p, 25 frames per second and 5 megabits bitrate. Each camera has its own subfolder on the microSD card, A, B, and C, so it's really easy to organize. There's also a video player with GPS data and maps stored on the microSD card. Here's what it looks